arbitrationagreements.org. Have you ever heard of a notice of arbitration? If you're involved in a legal dispute, it's something you need to know about. But before we get started, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about the world of dispute resolution with strategies for saving time and money while keeping your customers happy. Now let us dive in and go over what a notice of arbitration is. It is a legal document that initiates the arbitration process. Arbitration is a popular method of dispute resolution that serves as an alternative to going to court. In arbitration, a neutral third party, known as an arbitrator, listens to both sides of the dispute and makes a decision. For example, if two parties are in a disagreement over a contract, they might agree to resolve their dispute through arbitration instead of going to court. In that case, one party would serve the other with a notice of arbitration. A notice of arbitration typically contains information such as the names of the parties involved, a brief description of the dispute, and the relief being sought. It also sets out the rules that will govern the arbitration process. Once the notice of arbitration has been served, the arbitration process can begin. The parties will select an arbitrator, and a hearing will be held. During the hearing, both sides will have an opportunity to present evidence and argue their case. After the hearing, the arbitrator will make a decision, known as an award. This decision is final and binding, and the parties must abide by it. Plus, U.S. courts will immediately file the decision under local or federal law. So remember, a notice of arbitration is an important legal document that initiates the arbitration process. It sets out the rules that will govern the arbitration and provides the other party with notice of the dispute. If you're involved in a legal dispute, consider whether arbitration might be a viable option for resolving it. To get started, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. Our association does not provide legal advice, but call us if you or your business want to open a new account or case. Also, we want to hear what you think of notices of arbitration. Do they sound easy to provide for an opposing party when there's a dispute? Please let us know in the comments section. While you're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. This way you can stay on top of key legal solutions that can help you and your company succeed.